So class 5, this is part 2. In the last video, we have seen that we had changed the screensaver to Mistify. Okay, now we will change the time, means if your computer is idle, for how long it should remain idle so that that screensaver appears. Okay, so right now it is written 9999, we will delete it. Okay, we will delete it and we will set, right now we will set it as 1 minute. Okay, because I want to show you how it will change, and you can change it to more than 1 minute also, to as long as you want it to be. See, you can increase and you can decrease. Okay, you can't decrease lesser than this, you can't take lesser than 1 minute, you have to take 1 minute. Okay, and this option we will check only when there are many people working, so that they display log on screen, okay, in which other users can also log on. If you are working on your computer, there is no need to check on this. Then after setting the time, we will apply it. Okay, now it is applied and we will click on OK. Understand? Now we will close this window and we will see whether after 1 minute it changes or not. In this 1 minute, you will not touch anything or do anything on the computer system. You will only let it be idle for that long. Okay, if you are noticing, after 1 minute we will see the screensaver appearing there. Meanwhile, just go through the chapter. The screensaver starts when the system remains idle for number of minutes specified in the wait box. Okay, so whichever option we have chosen, it will appear only when the number of minutes that we have specified, the computer will remain idle. It is useful like when you are working, when you are doing some work and suddenly you have to go for some reason to do something, and you don't want anybody else to know what you are doing. So you set it like that, screensaver, and when you will go for your work, if you take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, till then it will remain idle. Can you see, just after 1 minute in the video, the screensaver has started. This is Mistify screensaver. Can you see, children? It is appearing. Okay, now you cannot see desktop, you cannot see which window was open, nothing is visible. So people will not know what you were doing in the computer. Okay, and when you want to remove this, you just press any button or you just move the mouse pointer. I move the mouse pointer right now. Okay, so this was about screensaver. Now we will change the Windows color. Again you will right click, go to personalize button. Okay, there you have worked on desktop background, screensaver, and now Windows color. What is the color of window right now? Can you see? This is sky blue. So we can change the color of the windows from here. When you will click on the Windows color, it will take you to this box, this screen, where you can choose the color of your window. Okay, like let's say we will click on this. Can you see there is a change of color here? Okay, again I will show you. Like say you choose purple, violet. Okay, now the color has changed to violet. Okay, you can increase or decrease the consistency of color. See, I am increasing it. Okay, and you can decrease also. Okay children, right now it is full. I have taken it to maximum level. Okay, now if you want to save the changes, it will change the color of the window. Now the whole window color is, can you see, all this is violet color. Okay, let's do it blue. This is twilight. Again it will change, it will change. Okay, let's choose this one, lavender. So now the color has changed to lavender. Understand? So you will then save the changes. Lavender is saved and you can come out of that window by clicking on this close option. Is it clear? It is quite interesting. You can try it at home also. Now I want to show you gadgets. One more topic is gadgets. Gadgets are small applications which we can paste on our window. See, these are gadgets you must have studied in class 4th also. Okay, so these are small programs which we can paste in our desktop. Like suppose if you want calendar to be there. Okay, you will right click on it, you will add, and the calendar will appear here. Can you see this calendar? Okay, like say suppose you want to add this, you can add, right click, and this will be added here. Okay, this way picture puzzle, if you want to add, suppose you are tired of doing some work on computer and you want to play, so you can add picture puzzle here. Understand, these are mini programs, small programs. So there are various gadgets, like a question can come, how many write names of any 5 gadgets. So you can write calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, feed headlines, picture puzzles, slideshow, weather, Windows media, etc. Okay, this is all we will be discussing in tomorrow's class. So go through this video properly. Thank you.